I'm Brandon Marble. I'm here at JTech again today. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the MIG welder. Personally, I like the MIG welder a lot easier because it's just a lot more easier to use than a stick welder, in my personal opinion. Here you got different temperatures on what you need to use to weld, and here's the bolts, different bolts and different types of ways you can use it. I'm gonna have my buddy over here, Matt, my assistant over here, finish videotaping me whenever I'm welding. I'll be right back.
Bang. So you always got to wear your PPE and personal protection equipments. Yeah, Nathan too. Gloves and goggles and glasses. Big some. Hey. Nice.
See, like I said, I like that one better. Don't stop.
I got you. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need some focus on these beads. Hell yeah. Sorry about my profanity, JTech, but look at those beauties.
See, I personally like that one better. That's just so you get a better weld than you do on this other side. I'm gonna show you the difference between that one and you can use it. You can use it. You got it. You got it. Yep. See the difference between it? I'm not really good at MIG welding. That's a horrible MIG weld. That is good. Pull that off. Don't ever want to touch it while it's hot. Look at that. See, when you go to welding, you want to make sure you go in waves. Like, yeah, it's like wave back and forth. It won't focus in.
Fuck, you're checking it out. My bad. Check that shit out.
But, yep, that's how you do it.